Okay, we will see here National Building Code or NBC code book. Here we have in this NBC code book what are the things required for lift and escalators. Okay, what are the things or how it can be installed for lift and escalators, it is mentioned. Just go through this one. From the code book only we have written some PPT presentations. Here lot of definitions are used, lot of definitions are there in the starting. So we want to go to that point where the table values just we need to refer. So here the arrangement of the lift is given. So this part they have been explained in the presentation. Okay, so go through this one. So these are the essential requirements it is mentioned here. So conformity with the Electricity Act, Indian Electricity Act, okay, Lift Act. So those things have been explained here. So conformity with Indian standard, fire regulation, factor of safety. So those things have been explained here. Okay. So additional requirement we have discussed now, bottom clearance, top clearance. Okay, so the speed, serviceability criteria, so all those things have been taken from this one only, have been taken. Okay, scroll down. So planning for dimensions part, it is now good. So now, so the table what we have studied, no, what should be the minimum dimensions, so that table references are from here. Okay, so this is the typical lift or elevator shaft elevation. Here it is the plan. So this diagram was explained there. Okay, so this is the table value. Okay. So that problem was there, no? Calculating the H handling capacity. So that was taken from there. Here are some planning dimensions or design parameter. So from here the design part of the lift is mentioned. So we can go through this part where you will try to understand what is population, how it is calculated, okay, quantity of service, capacity. See, all these things have been explained in the previous videos. Okay, so here it is number of floors, what is the minimum speed, maximum speed, okay, quality of service. So that is, this is the problem. What is that formula for calculating the handling capacity? So that problem is solved from this. So this is the problem, that one. Okay, example. So this is explained there. So this is the NBC codebook clauses. So here power control systems are explained here. Hmm. That's all.